Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys. Okay, today we want to make the video project English ya guys ya. The theme is sorry guys, wait guys. The theme is the temptation of the teenagers in the digital era. Teenagers.
Temptation of a teenagers.
Teenagers. Okay, sorry guys. Teenagers in the digital era. Okay guys. Before that, introduce myself ya guys. We are introduce first. Nah, okay. Maybe first, my name is Ilham Maulana. You can call me Rizky. And you?
My name is Naufal Azril.
You?
My name is Kemal Bigil.
And you?
My name is Ihsan Ahmad.
Oh, Ihsan Ahmad. Okay guys. And then you know lah what the name ya guys ya. And then after this, we want to ask about the what
Questions.
the question ya, the temptation of teenagers in the digital era ya guys ya. Okay. The first is the question: what are the temptation that the teenagers face in social media? Okay.
Who's answering?
Yeah, up to you. Who first?
Okay.
You first. Okay.
The question again?
The question is, what are the temptation that the teenagers face in social media?
Okay, for teenagers like us, yeah.
Yes.
Do you feel like that we play social media a lot?
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
And I think that's one of the temptation because we forget about time and we need to manage time if we want to be aware of the temptation for the teenagers. And I think social media is one of them. Yeah.
Oh my god. And how about you, Isan?
Yeah, some like what can I say? Social media can make big impact for teenager. So we as a teenager must manage our time and what we do in social media.
Oh, this important.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And then?
Okay.
You
Then
better-
for the second question is
Yes.
why do many teenagers feel pressure to maintain a perfect online image?
A perfect online image.
Yes.
Yes.
So like when you have a profile, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Profile.
So when you have a profile and they have pressure whether they people like it or not, like that.
Yes.
Maybe because like they need they're like they need the spotlight. Maybe because they want to be famous, or maybe they want to try to be more revealing to the people outside, and maybe they're scared for people to judge them.
Oh my god, so good guys. And then how about Isan?
Yeah, make good in profile is very important for teenager because the all of teenager now make good for profile to hide bad profile in real life.
Oh my god. Okay. And then next question. How does online gaming education affect teenagers' academic performance?
Online gaming education.
Yes,
Online
education. Online gaming. Online gaming education.
So education in online games.
Yes, of course.
I think it's a very playful way to educate the young teenagers right now because people nowadays hate to have something that's static or there's something like on the same kind of flow, and maybe that's why online game education is one of the most proven way to make teenagers win or maybe be better at their academics, and I think that's what.
Oh my god. And then you, San, what?
Wait, can you repeat the question?
Okay. It's okay. And then the question is, how does online gaming education affect teenagers' academic performance?
Online gaming education.
Yeah.
So maybe
It's a good game.
yeah, online game can make bad impact for teenager for the education because the all of teenager now maybe have education to play game
Yes.
and can more focus and education in academic. So we as a teenager must not playing game.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
okay. And then next, what role do parents what role do parents play in helping teenagers? Negative digital temptation.
Okay. So maybe for the parents, they usually limit the childrens to use phone. Like maybe they can only use it on after school and before 10 p.m. like that. Like my elementary school era. And maybe the parents can limit of what they open to, like they cannot open, for example, a social media that much, or they cannot open games that much.
Oh my god. And then how about you?
Yeah, it's very important for the all of parents to manage the technology what used by his teenager, because teenager think need have do there is a positive and negative things in digital like phone, but I think there is a lot of more negative. So it's very important for parents to watch the what his child to what his child use.
Oh my god, guys, so important guys. You become the parents and have the children like this lah guys ya. Okay guys, don't always children play handphone ya guys ya. Okay, next let's do question. How does content exposure to influencer lifestyle affect teenagers self-esteem?
Esteem.
Esteem.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry guys. Still learning English again. Sorry. Okay.
How
What?
many more questions?
Huh? 1, 2,
Three.
3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Two more questions.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so self-esteem on influencer lifestyle.
Yes.
Maybe it makes people. Do you know FOMO?
Yeah, I know.
People get FOMO on buying stuff like maybe a new jacket or chamber jacket or something like that. And yeah, because of influencer influence to them on what they need to wear, like streetwear or maybe old style or money or something like that. It depends on their preferences, but the parents, I mean the influencers, could affect their mind and make them buy everything new.
Oh my god. And then so about Isan, what?
Okay, so same as like Kenan, there is about FOMO, fear of missing out.
Yes.
So now the teenager is have much FOMO. He not want to left by the all of friends. If his friend have this, he want this, and yeah, it's very bad things that in teenager. It's about FOMO.
Oh my god.
Okay. For the next question is, what impact does cyberbullying have on teenage mental health?
The impact on cyberbullying, it depends on the people. It depends on their mentality, but I think people that often use phone on daily basis usually have a lot of impact on their mental, and I think it's bad, and it should not be implemented by the people around on their posts, maybe on their comments, or maybe to be aware of that. You can turn off your comments or maybe not be exposed too much on the social media.
Oh my god. So long I guess ya. And then how about you, Sean?
Okay, so from me, yeah, the bad digital bullying is more bad than real life bullying, because if in real life if our parents or teacher know who bully and who's bullying, but in digital, I think there's not people can know who's bullying, and because there's in digital, yeah. So I think digital bullying more bad than in real life.
Oh my god. And then okay, for the last question I guess ya. For the last question is why are teenagers vulnerable to online scams and fraud?
Simple, because they are not aware of the links, and they usually do anything on on online websites or social media, and they can be exposed to everything.
And then how about you, Sean?
Yeah, there's a lot of teenager not aware to what he open, what he click on digital, because now the like scam or the hack can be in their all of platform in digital.
Okay, okay guys, this is a question and
Answer.
answer. Sorry guys, answer the question ya guys ya. And then the conclusion is the teenager face digital challenge like social media pressure, gaming education, and cyberbullying, and which affect their esteem.
Self-esteem.
Self-esteem and help parents play a key role in helping them balance online and real life ya guys. And then activities with of being online risks. Nah, this is the conclusion ya guys ya. And then if you become parents and have the children, please don't your children always play phone lah guys ya guys. Okay? Maybe that's all from me. Wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
See you guys.
For us